Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable flash notification in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. After open the settings app, just scroll all the way down, then go to accessibility. From here go to advanced settings. After that go to flash notification option, and that's it. Now here you can see two kinds of flash notification. One is camera flash notification and another is screen flash notification. If you want to enable camera flash notification, just turn on this option and then tap on preview. You can see the camera flash is flashing. On the other hand, if you want to turn on screen flash notification, from here and then tap on preview, and you can see the screen is flashing. That's it. You can see both notifications are turned on successfully. You can also customize your screen flash notification color from here. Just tap here and you can choose any color as you like. If I select yellow color and then tap on preview, and that's it. Then just tap on done and you can see it's changed successfully. And that is how you can enable or disable flash notification in your Samsung Galaxy S17 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.